So here we are doing every keelboat sailor's favourite thing, which is docking. Now, one of the first things you want to do when you're docking is figure out, especially if you're on a charter boat that's not yours, do you have a right-hand drive or a left-hand drive prop? The way to do it real quick is to put the boat in reverse and just look which way the stern goes. Our stern is going to port. That means in this particular boat, we have a right-hand drive prop in forward that spins left in reverse, and it creates this thing called prop walk. It pulls the stern to port in reverse. Now what that means for us is that the best way to dock this boat is to put the port side into the dock, because we're going to use something called a 90, 45 degree, 22 degree approach. We're going to come into the dock at about 90 degrees to the dock, which kind of seems a bit illogical, but it's all about getting our speed right and getting our positioning right. We're in forward idle, we're coming in at about 90 degrees to the dock. When we get down a bit less than a boat length, we want to come down to 45 degrees. I'm still in forward idle. I'm actually going to come back into neutral, and I'm coming down at 45 degrees to the dock. Now I'm going to play a game of chicken. What fun. I'm going to see how close I can get the bow to the dock before I start walking it down. Now I start walking the bow down, walking down, walking down, walking down, and at the last minute, I'm going to throw this little pesky thing in reverse, and I'm going to use that prop walk to drop me on the dock.